If you're new, welcome. My name is Lauren Eckstrom, co-founder of Inner Dimension Yoga, and today we're gonna move through a slow flow hip release. So get down and into the biggest joint in the body. Let's start in downward facing dog. Coming into downward facing dog, separate the hands about the distance of the shoulders, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back, and begin to deepen your breath the way that you know how. If you need to do something, if you need to bicycle the knees, pressing one heel down and then the next, you can. Pivot the heels. Take that moment to really orient yourself and how the body's feeling and doing today. So it's not a judgment. There's just awareness of what might need your tender attention and what feels pretty spacious. And from here, take an inhale. As you exhale, look forward, step your right hand outside of your right foot, turning your toes to the side. Step your left foot outside your left hand and then squat down into Malasana. Bring the hands to the heart. On an inhale, straighten the legs, circle the arms up, so right away down into the seat of the body. Exhale, rebend the knees, sit back down into your yogi style squat. Plant the hands down, right knee to tabletop pose, left knee to tabletop pose. On an inhale, drop the belly, lift the sitting bones. And then exhale, tuck your tail under, round the spine and hang the head. Inhale, belly low, heart high. Exhale, tuck the toes, press back, downward facing dog, and we're gonna keep flowing like this, but we'll switch legs. Look forward, left foot steps outside left hand, right foot steps outside right hand, Malasana as you take your seat. Inhale, circle the arms, rise to stand, straighten the legs. Exhale, rebend the knees as you squat down. Plant the hands to the earth. Left knee back to tabletop pose, right knee back to tabletop pose. Inhale, belly low, draw the heart through the gateway of the chest. Exhale, tuck the pelvis, drop the head and round in. Inhale, lift the sitting bones high. Exhale, tuck the toes, press back, downward facing dog. One more time each side. Inhale, press back. Exhale, right foot outside right hand, left foot outside left hand. Pause in your Malasana. Inhale, straighten the legs, circle the arms above, stand. Exhale, rebend the knees as you squat back in. Plant the hands down, right knee back, left knee back. Inhale, sink the belly. Exhale, lift the sides of the waist and round in. Inhale, draw the heart through the chest. Exhale, tuck the toes, press back, downward facing dog. Inhale, press back. Exhale, left foot outside left hand last time. Right foot outside right hand, take your seat. Inhale, straighten the legs, sweep the arms above. Exhale, rebend and descend. Plant the hands down. Left knee back, right knee back. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, round into cat. Inhale, draw the navel down and elevate the gaze. Exhale, tuck the toes, press your way back, downward facing dog. Pause and downward facing dog. On an inhale, lift your right leg the height of your right hip. Start to turn your 5 right toes to the right. And then as we change the direction of the head of the femur and the hip, you can lift the right leg even higher. Then bend the right knee, stack the right hip on top of the left, and still square your chest toward the back of the mat so you're not losing the squareness of the chest in that downward facing dog shape. On an inhale, re-square the right hip, reach the right leg straight back, 3-leg downward facing dog. Exhale, right knee to right elbow, tap and touch. Inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, right foot outside of right hand. The toes can turn out. Keep the fingertips inside the front right foot and start to make big circles with the hips. And so just kind of like you're stirring a pot. Big circles one direction and then switch directions. And just kind of rotating the opposite way, getting deep into the hip. And then bring the right foot down the midline, stay on the back toes, take an inhale here, and exhale, crawl to your back left leg, coming into Skandasana. So straighten the right leg, left hand inside the left knee, circle the right arm to the sky, and reach the right arm up and overhead. Flex the right toes toward the face. You might be up on the left toes with the left heel lifted. Some people will have that foot flat. Really personal. Give it one last big reach there. Take an inhale. Exhale, circle the hands down, crawl to a high runner's lunge. Pivot onto the back left toes. Pause here. Then inhale, rise up, crescent pose. And exhale, open up into warrior two. And so even though we're working into the hips, your job is not to press your legs out wide. Your job is not to press your legs apart like you're trying to make your yoga mat longer. Instead, we want to have integrity. Can you imagine pulling your legs toward each other? So we have adduction through the inner thighs, like we're trying to make the mat shorter. And so that way we don't just have flexibility, but we have containment in the seat of the body, which is one of the ways that we keep the hips strong and safe. Then on an inhale, straighten the right leg, reach the arms up. Exhale, rebend and spread the arms out. 2 more times. Inhale, right leg straight and arms lift. Exhale, rebend and spread. 1 more time. Inhale, right leg straight, arms rise. Exhale, rebend and spread. Keep your arms lifted the height of your chest. Straighten your front right leg. Turn your right toes in parallel to your left. Kick your heels in, turn your toes out, bend your elbows, and then sit down and in to goddess pose, or what we call temple pose. And you're here just for 5. Find that slow, steady breath for 4. Last 3, 2, 1. Kick the heels back, reach the arms up, parallel the feet, big breath in. Pivot the right toes forward, spread the arms, descend back down into that strong second warrior. Reverse your warrior. Inhale, lengthen back. Exhale, hands down, spin to the back left toes, step back to plank, take an inhale, slow things down. Exhale, hover, wait till you're empty of breath. Then inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, roll over the toes, shift back, downward facing dog. On an inhale, left leg lifts the height of the left hip. Start to turn your 5 left toes to the left first. Then lift the left leg higher. Bend the left knee, stack the left hip, and keep turning your left armpit toward the back left corner of your mat. On an inhale, left leg reaches back, all 5 left toes point to the earth. Exhale, left knee, left elbow, 1 time tap and touch. Inhale, left leg up and back. Exhale, step the left foot outside the left hand, fingertips on the inside, and just start to make some big circles with the hips. Maybe change directions. And then come back down the midline. Heel toe the left foot toward the center, and then crawl to your back right leg. Turn the right toes out. Flex the left toes toward the face. Right hand inside the right knee. Reach the left arm up and over the head into Skandasana. Breathing down the inseam of the left leg. Take an inhale here. Exhale, circle the hands down, crawl back to a high runner's lunge facing the top of the mat, so on the back right toes. Inhale, rise up, crescent. Pause at the top. Deep breath in. Open up warrior two, full breath out. Strong foundation. So the opposite of maybe what you've been doing in your practice. Imagine pulling the legs together. So you lift up through the pelvic floor. You're not overstretching into the hips so that we access the biggest joint in the body safely. Left leg straight, arms up. Inhale, slow flow. Exhale, rebend and spread. On your breath, two more. Pause in second warrior. Straighten the left leg, turn the toes in, then kick the heels in, turn the toes out. Bend the elbows, maybe now thumb and first finger come together. Dhyana Mudra, sit down in your wisdom for 5. Doesn't have to be deeper to be effective for 4. Settling into the seat of your body for 3. Doing so with integrity and strength for 2. Knowing really good boundaries for 1. On an inhale, kick the heels back, reach the arms up, full breath in. Exhale, back to second warrior. Left arm pulls up and back, a little momentum. Exhale, hands come down, step back to plank. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Cobra or up dog. Inhale as you roll over the toes. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Take an inhale. Lower the knees down, crawl the knees forward, cross the ankles, roll onto the back. Knees bent, feet flat. Cross the right ankle over the left knee, reclining pigeon in that figure 4 shape. Draw the left thigh in. Breathe. Lower the left foot down. Catch the right big toe with the first 2 fingers of the right hand. And then come into half of a happy baby pose. So sole of the right foot spins up toward the sky. Right knee, right thigh opening outside the torso. Take a breath. And then lower the right foot down onto the mat. Left ankle over the right knee. Maybe draw the right thigh into the chest. Breathe. Right foot comes to the earth. First 2 fingers of the left hand hook the left big toe. Open into half a happy baby. Take an inhale. As you exhale, hug both knees into the chest. Curl the forehead up, squeeze everything. And then exhale as you release out and down into a final rest. Let the breath go. Imagine a softening running down the body from the crown of the head all the way out through the toes. Maybe today you stay a little bit longer than you usually do. Give yourself that gift. When you're ready, rebend the knees, roll to the side. Use the hands to press your way up. And as you sit up tall, hands to the heart space. Basho wrote, "Every day is a journey, and the journey itself is home." And so let me be the first to welcome you home. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. Namaste. Thank you so much for your practice. If you're new, welcome. I hope I get to practice with you again. And if you'd like that, click the subscribe button below so that we can. You can also visit the link down below and go to my home, Inner Dimension Yoga, where you'll find thousands of on-demand classes and my comprehensive programs. Thank you for taking the time to practice. It serves the world. I look forward to seeing you again.